Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'll show you how you can change the chrome logo and emblems on your Tesla Model 3 and Model Y to matte black for $16 with this Plasti Dip spray. So in today's video I'll show you step-by-step process how to change it with this Plasti Dip, and then at the end I'll show you the end result, how these logo will look before and after. Now let's go. Okay, let's start with the first process. So basically you just need to clean the surface around the logo that you will be spraying on first. So just use any cleaner spray that you have, the cleansing spray, and a clean towel, just like so. Same thing on the emblem down here. Make sure all the dust is gone. Alright, so the next step here, we will use the rubbing alcohol. This, and then spray it on the towel. Now you clean the surface of the logo. Same thing on the emblem. Now we let that dry and we'll go to the next step. So we're doing same thing here on the front logo also. Make sure the logo has no dust on top of the surface at all. So when we spray it, it doesn't show that bubbles of dust. Alright, so next step here, wait until the alcohol is dry. Then we'll put the install the masking tape around the logo. So you would have to leave the space between the masking tape and the edge of the logo around about 1.5 to 2 inches. So it's easier to peel the plastic dip. Alright, let's put the masking tape on. So we'll put one layer of the masking tape closest to the logo, and then we'll put another layer of masking tape with either paper or plastic that will cover around the area again, so when we spray, the spray dust doesn't overspray on your original paint on the car. Okay, same thing on this emblem, dual motor emblem on the bottom here. So leave about 1.5 inch ish. Just like so. So this is the first layer. We'll do another tape around it. Okay, so this is the second layer. Here as you can see, use another masking tape, and then just stick paper around the area. So when we accidentally overspray, it doesn't go on your car. So we're done with patching and masking. So the rear here and here, and let's check out the front part. This one is the front. So we will do another cleaning because while we patching and masking, there could be dust that flying and land on the logo. So make sure it's clean again. Do another cleaning one more time before we spray it. Alright, so we are going to start spraying right now. So you will need at least 4 to 6 layers of spray. It depends on how happy you are with the appearance or the black part, because remember this is chrome. So chrome is a little tricky to cover, not just like regular silver because it's shinier. But yeah, we'll do the first layer first. So the first layer we'll do horizontal and about 50% coverage on the paint. And you will need at least 6 inches away from the logo. Okay, so that's the first coat. Is to also do the dual motor right here. That looks good. So, you know, the first coat not supposed to cover everything, and the reason why you don't spray it too close, so it doesn't create a lot of bubbles. If you do spray too close, more chance the bubbles gonna start on the surface. So same thing here on the front logo, left to right. There's still like chrome area popping, but you don't have to worry because we're gonna do at least another 4 more times. So in between the layers, I would suggest to wait about 10 to 15 minutes before you spray another coat on the top. So we are here, the first layer, it's pretty much dry. It's been about 15 minutes. Now we're gonna do another coat on the paint. You're gonna do it up and down, right? Or, I mean, however you want it. I would suggest you try to be consistent and try to paint all the way to the edge. So at the end, it'll be easier to peel off from the edge of the masking part. Go to the front, it's about 15 minutes. So we are going to spray on that side towards this side. So we get the side part of the logo. Alright, as you can see here, when we spray on this side, it covers the bottom side of the logo, so it doesn't show any chrome anymore. But this side still have some chrome left, as you can see. So the next time, the next layer, we are going to spray on this side. Layer number 3, we'll spray from this side to this direction, so we'll cover the side of the logo on the right. This is the layer number 4. We are going to paint bottom to top direction, so we get the paint onto the bottom part of the logo. There's number 4 for the front. As you can see, we spray the bottom part first and then one last hit on the top, because the top has really little space to cover. And this is almost the last one. So the next one will be the last one, the 5th layer, the 5th coat. So the 5th coat, we're just gonna do a light coat, just like the first time we did. So it's light coat on, just hit the top, and that's it. We're almost done. Right, so this is coat number 5. Like I mentioned before, we're gonna do a direct on top, spray light. Okay, so this is the last coat on all the logos, as I mentioned before. This is number 5. So after this one, we will have to wait at least 1.5 to 2 hours until they all completely dry, and then we'll go through the next step. We'll see you in a couple hours. So it's been about 2 hours now. We're just gonna have to take off the outside layer first on the masking part of it. Now we take out the inside masking tape. So now we just try to pull the left over paint. As you can see, just try to stretch it. Looks really good so far.
So satisfying.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. So basically just pull away from the logo. We did all around the logo. Now we just have to do the one on the inside. For the one on the inside, we're just gonna use the toothpick. Try to pull it, try to catch that string, huh?
Yes.
Right? So just use the toothpick to somewhat cut on the inside, underneath the logo, for the small space inside. So it's easier to pull that overspray part out from the logo. So the trickiest part is just that one small space in the middle. But as you can see, the one on the outside is really simple and easy to pull. Yeah, almost done. Looks really good. So the rear logo is done. We are going to do the dual motor next. So now we're just gonna try to pull dual motor one. It's a lot more small pieces here, but on the outside should be similar result. So that's the reason why I mentioned before to leave at least 1.5 to 2 inches from the edge of the logo to where you mask it, so you have enough space to pull it out. Very nice. Alright, so all around the outside is done. Now we just need to use the same tools, try to get all of those on the inside out. So now let's do the same thing on the front logo. Remember? Pull it away from the edges of the logo. As you can see, when you pull it away, it just breaks off right away. Right, so we're done with both front and rear and the dual motor. Dual motor took a little time, just be patient to get all of the leftover paint in the middle part, but otherwise it looks really good. Actually it turned out much better than I thought. Let me show you the front real quick. So this is the front logo, as you can see here. It's all matte black. Really nice. So the outside, it's really easy to peel off, just the middle part. It's really cheap. This is the cheapest way to probably change your logo from chrome to matte black, and at just time. Or it is time consuming to do it, to wait, you know, every 10-15 minutes to respray the next layer and the next layer. But it's a fun DIY project to do on your Tesla Model Y and Model 3. So the end result looks really good. I'll make sure to put the link for the Plasti Dip in the description down below. Actually, you can get a cheaper one at Home Depot for half the price. I believe we got it for $8. And now, as you can see here, all black to match the black trim on the car. And now we have the black emblem logo in the front. Alright, thank you so much guys for watching today's video, and don't forget to click like if you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome contents like this. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.